One of the main challenges with manual work is the potential for human error, which can result in assembly failures or the production of faulty parts. For instance, even in something as seemingly simple as assembling a ceiling ring, it is possible for a worker to miss a critical step or overlook a defect during the inspection process. The consequences of these mistakes can be significant, as defective parts may be shipped to customers, leading to recalls and higher costs. This can lead to lower customer satisfaction and fewer new customers. To find a solution to these problems, we have developed TRiMiTi. TRiMiTi uses cameras and other digital sensors to monitor workers during the assembly process. TRiMiTi is capable of detecting when steps are completed correctly or incorrectly and notifying the worker via a screen. Moreover, TRiMiTi can also identify defects in parts with a higher level of precision than the human eye, ensuring that faulty products are never shipped out to customers, thus increasing your customer satisfaction. In summary, TRiMiTi provides inline quality control during the assembly process and enables follow-up inspections with greater accuracy than is possible with human inspection alone. For more detailed information about TRiMiTi, feel free to visit our website nexustec.de/TRiMiTi.